Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in sunny Lauderdale by the Sea, Florida. A wonderful day out today. I hope your day is good as well. And we're just going to go over today's precious metals markets and some things that are happening today. I'll try to keep it short. Sorry about the late update today. We've just been slammed in our store. People buying and selling gold and silver, mostly buying gold. A lot of people selling coin collections and other things that we buy. Anyway, this is our store here, and this is our website, commercialrarecoins.com, one of them. And you can call us anytime between 10 and 4 Mondays through Fridays at 954-493-8811. Happy to answer any of your questions, or if you'd like to talk about what I talked about today. Let's move along to metals here and see what's going on. Here's our graphs. I've been asked to kind of post a few graphs. Maybe I could do that without having everything pop up on you. But here's a 24-hour spot silver graph at the top you can see. And it has been bouncing around in the 18 to 1830 range. And gold also, let's see, since 9 a.m., 1730, 1740. So, tighter range here, about a $10, $20 range here. Let's take a look. What is the current bid on metal? 1734.23, and silver is 1820. Up quite a bit. Silver's up 2.49%, 2.5% in one day. Pretty substantial. Now, we've been talking about this for quite some time, about the price of silver catching up with the price of gold. And actually, we've been talking about the gold to silver ratio, which was over 114:1 to 100:1. And for about a month now, I've been saying that there's two things that are going to happen here. And this is exactly what has happened. Either gold was going to come down and this ratio was going to get closer to what it's typically been in the 90:1 ratio for the last few years, 80, 90:1, something like that. Or silver was going to go up in price and get close, that ratio was going to get closer because silver was going to rise up faster and closer to the price of gold. And that's exactly what's happened. Gold did not fall. In fact, gold's come down. Silver has rocketed up and has decreased that ratio that we've been talking about for weeks and weeks and weeks here. And just to take a look at it here, there's a 110:1 ratio with gold and silver. And you can see that on this graph, they show it here. Well, I don't think they've updated it, but it was well above that 110 for a little while. And oddly enough, you can see that look, there's the ratio right there in March 2011. 38:1. I mean, look how low that ratio of gold to silver is. Now, that's also at the peak of the gold and silver market in 2011, 2012, when silver was almost 50 bucks an ounce. But if you take a look at that gold to silver ratio compared to this, which is over 100:1. Like I said, we were looking at 114:1 not too long ago. Let's take another timeline and look where the ratios were very small. August 1979. Another very telling time. This was when gold, silver also hit 50 bucks an ounce. So we're looking at, look at these two areas where silver hit its highs both times. Now look at the time frame here on the low. There's some interesting and telling information to be learned here if you take the time to look at it in the big picture. We'll go over this some other time. And again, if you're ever in my store, come by. We'll talk about this kind of stuff. I'm open 10 to 4 Mondays through Fridays. Wall Street Journal, I always like to just take a look at there. And see what's happening. The Dow Jones, blah. Trump pushes governors use law. Well, anyway, none of this protesting stuff is good. In fact, the big Black Swan event of 2020 was the coronavirus. And here we are with a second Black Swan. Two big Black Swans in a year. What is this going to do to the economy? Nothing good, I don't think, which is even a better reason to own gold and silver. Well, anyway, again, this is Brian Kuzmar, Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. Got any questions? Don't hesitate to call me at 954-493-8811. We buy and sell all types of precious metals, and we know what we're doing. Thanks for watching, and talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day.